If the fuse is damaged, replace it with a spare. Install the filter onto the designated port. Note, if the rubber ring on the filter is missing or damaged, replace it before installation. Remove the pre-installed screws on both sides of the instrument. Install the handle brackets on both sides. Remove the pre-installed screws on both sides of the instrument. Install the handle brackets on both sides. Install the support pillar on the instrument. Remove the screws. Install the 3D body 30K handle cable and tighten it with screws. Install the suction handle cable. When the black rubber ring of suction is damaged, it can be replaced with a spare one. Replace the filter cotton, remove the air intake hole plug and the original filter cotton, and plug the new filter cotton and air intake hole plug back. Install EMS heat handle cable. Installing the 3D body RF handle cable. Install the lipo laser handle cable. Place all installed handles into the handle holders in turn. Connect the power cord and activate the power button. Choose Auto. You can operate in the order of the handle arrangement, or click the handle icon to switch. The time and energy can be adjusted according to your personal situation. Choose Manual. Default 3D body RF function. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Choose 3D body 30K on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Choose RF suction on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. RF energy level, 3. Suction duration, 0.5. Release time, 0.2. Set the suction intensity according to the individual endurance. Note, adjust the suction and release duration individually or choose the preset mode. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Choose EMS HEAT on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. EMS energy level, 3. EMS mode, M1. Heat mode low. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Choose lipo laser on the screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Turn off the power button and unplug the power cord.